How to make a wire transaction in Bank of America. It's really easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is I'm going to be showing you on the Bank of America mobile banking app, which is completely free, and you can easily log into your account on this. So I'm going to be first opening the app like I've done so here. And to actually make a wire payment, just click on the pay and transfer at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, second from the left. And then from here, you just want to click on the wire transfer, which is in the top right-hand corner of the screen next to the Zelle icon. Now doing so, it'll bring you to this panel like so, where you can either accept in the terms and conditions. So this basically allows to make sure that you're able to make the payments on this Bank of America app. You click on agree. You can read it or not, but it's just making sure that it is safe and that you are a trustworthy person able to do this legally. So once you click on agree, it will take you to this panel like so, where from here all you need to do is you can actually just choose the country that you want to exchange the currencies for by clicking start a wire right here. Now you can add a person by clicking on add a recipient and choose the country. I'm just going to make it to India and then click on next. And once it does that, you can actually choose the person, choose the thing, depending on the fee. If you want euro, Indian rupee, or US dollar, I'm going to do euro because there's no fee. Click on next. You can either choose personal or business, and if you want it from my account or someone else's, you can click on that. And then you click on next from here, and you want to enter in their name. You just want to enter in all their information, so I recommend asking them their first, last name, and nickname if they have one. And you just put in all this information right here: city code, postal code, recipient address, click next, and then you just actually enter in the fee that you want to do. And then once you actually enter next, you just want to enter in your SWIFT/BIT code. Now you can find this in your Bank of America mobile login or any banking app. Just search for it in the settings option. You want to enter in the account number, so right here. And then once you do that, you just click on next, where you can actually confirm the amount that you will be making this transaction for, and this will fix the issue of able to do this. There's even a lookup button for your BIC and SWIFT code right here, and you can actually just search for that on your banks. That's how you make a wire transaction. The first time is usually the trickiest, then it gets easier from there, just because you have to go through the process of understanding what it actually takes to make one.